almond croissant coffee cake.
It has the most gooey almond frangipane topping, basically the inside of an almond croissant on top. And the cake is soft and fluffy, vanilla almondy. It's the best coffee cake recipe on my site. Technically, it's the only one on my site, but I don't think I can make any other coffee cake after this. I added olive oil, butter, sour cream, and almond flour into the cake batter. It gives it this soft, buttery, tender, moist crumb. And that went into the oven while I worked on the frangipane topping. Initially, when I tested this recipe, I layered the frangipane in between the coffee cake and on top, but it just melted into the cake. It was delicious, but it wasn't worth the effort not to notice the frangipane. So, just like the typical almond croissant you get at a bakery is a twice-baked croissant, this is a twice-baked coffee cake. That way you get that distinct gooey almond topping with crunchy almonds on top. And baking it twice does not make it dry out in the oven because it's so moist. Try it and let me know what you think.